Good morning! Welcome to 2025. Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. Welcome sa aming YouTube channel. This is a life-changing pathway to permanent residency from the Canada Immigration News for 2025. This is a new PR pathway for rural communities announced ng IRCC. So, I'm happy to share with you guys itong bagong pathway na pwede nyo pong applyan to become a permanent resident dito sa Canada. So, looking to move to Canada in 2025, this is your chance again. If you're outside the Canada or inside the Canada, you can also benefit for this program, for this pathway. This is the Canada's rural areas have long been vital, such as agricultural. Alamin naman natin na marami talagang agriculture sa Canada, forestry, healthcare, and manufacturing. So those are the company na pwede yung applyan for a job to become a permanent. You can go to Job Bank to search for a job, and also meron akong i-share later on na pwede yung rin pong isubmit sa aking email address ang yung resume, kasi doon sa area na yon you have the chance to become a permanent too. So, the new Rural Community Immigration Program, which is the RCIP, is here for 2025. This program designed to address the labor shortages and boost rural economies. Kasi alam niyo naman sa mga rural, there's less workers kasi mostly the mga lokal na they have their own business actually. So yeah, so this program offers the skilled workers and international graduates a permanent pathway to Canadian PR. So calling our skilled worker international student, if you want to become a permanent right then and now, try this pathway for 2025. So the communities offer affordable housing, thriving industries, and a tight-knit communities. This is the rural Canada is becoming the top destination for immigrants kasi mas mabilis pong ma-PR. Yun po ang good news ko mamaya. Nasa rural area po yung aking i-share na jobs na pwedeng applyan, and you will become a permanent after you reach the requirements and then the hours of work, di ba? So, pag-usapan uli natin about some of your needs to know about the RCIP, including the following, kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang lahat ng pwede yung i-alamin, or also you can go to Canada website to double check kung ano pa yung mga details na requirements na kailangan nyo i-prepare to apply for this program. So, yung mga gusto mag-immigrants ngayon for 2025, you can go to this, you can use this pathway. As long as pasok kayo sa mga kailangan nila na mga skilled worker. So, why rural Canada is the crossroads and needs more immigrants? Yeah, see? Kailangan ng maraming immigrants sa rural Canada. Kasi yung population dun kasi konti pa lang. So, that's why they encourage more to go to that area para mas dumami ang population at mag-grow po yung bawat area. So how this program builds on the success of the rural and northern immigration pilot. Kasi 'di ba, if you heard about the other program, yung RNIP, yan po yung rural and northern immigration pilot. Isa din po yun sa pathway na pwede nyo rin pong gamitin or in way nyo to become a permanent or to come here for this program kasi you also have the ability to become a permanent. So, ito po yung mga eligibility requirements. So, you should have the work experiences. Siyempre, yung work experience nyo dapat related do sa inyong applying jobs dito sa communities na inyong pupuntahan. So, language proficiency, IELTS, or kung hindi mahirap, CELP, and job offers. So, job offers from the employer. So, dapat na employer na po talaga kayo. So, which communities are participating and the industries they are looking to grow? So, isi-share ko in my next video yung mga communities kung saan kayo pwedeng maghanap ng trabaho to their website. So, yung mga strategies to prepare for success under the RCIP. In my next video, abangan nyo po. I-share ko lahat ng more details kasi kailangan ko i-share yung isang jobs na kailangan po for 2025. Kaya, if you want to apply, submit your resume sa aking email address, mabelfrias14@gmail.com. No experience required kasi ititrain po kayo. So if you're searching for securing a Canada work permit and to become a permanent, this is your chance. And please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel po para po sa more updates na ibibigay ko sa inyo sa susunod na mga videos ko po. So again, I'm calling all open work permits sa Canada, husband, wives, kasi alam ko may mga international student, nakasama si spouse, and also yung mga temporary foreign worker, nakasama si spouse and then si wife. You can submit your resume sa aking email address, mabelfrias14@gmail.com. Urgently needed po ito. If you want to secure your permanent residency in Canada, grab this opportunity now. Send your resume sa aking email address. No experience required. As long as this is only a stepping stone, okay? So, don't miss also yung aking next vlog, yung Canada high-paying job for immigrants, and also Canada visa updates on how the RCIP is reshaping rural communities. So we will talk about more of that on my next videos po. Abangan niyo po ako. And also, yeah, excited akong i-share sa inyo. Submit your resume again kasi kakakausap ko lang kahapon. Sabi niya, ate, isubmit mo lang sa aking email address kasi kailangan namin ngayon. So, pag kayo ay napili, makapagsimula agad kayo, as long as you are willing to relocate din po, ha? Kasi this job is in Manitoba. So, Manitoba po. And take note, guys, you have the possibility to become a permanent sa jobs na ito. Stepping stone lang po, okay? Or whether you are planning to apply for an express entry, make your profile, or exploring other pathways to permanent residency, this is your chance to stay ahead in my immigration updates. In my next video, i-share ko sa inyo lahat. So, abangan nyo po again. Shout out! Congratulations sa isang natulungan ko na PR na po siya. Napakagandang good news sa kanya. For 2025, sabi niya, ate, natanggap ko na ang aking approval for permanent residency. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Congratulations! You know who you are. I'm so glad na naging part ako sa iyong permanent residency journey. So, wag lang po kayong mawalang magpag-asa. Positive minds. Be mindful na lahat po nagbabago. And then, we're just hoping na maging positive yung changes dito sa Canada. So, details on how to apply the pathway, abangan po. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Happy New Year again. And God bless sa lahat na magsasabit sa akin ng resume. Calling all of you guys. Send your resume today now. mabelfrias14@gmail.com. Bye now.